Hello and welcome to the Summer STEM Challenge. My name is Leanne Mee. I am the founder of the STEM Workshop and I work for the Marches Centre of Manufacturing and Technology. I work to provide lots of STEM engagement opportunities to help you develop your knowledge and understanding in careers across engineering and manufacturing. At the training centre, we provide apprenticeship training opportunities where you get paid to learn. You are employed by one of our local employers, and we provide all of the training for you to be able to carry out that role. The training that we provide is carried out by Income Training Services, who are rated as outstanding by Ofsted. We have a whole suite of facilities at the training centre, which if you want to find out more about what we do, you can take a virtual tour on our website, or you can arrange a visit to the centre itself. So my role really is to help you understand a little bit more about engineering and manufacturing and give you some opportunities to help develop your skills and knowledge within those sectors. So throughout every activity that we do, we explore different roles and different sectors. So here's some examples of the different sectors within engineering. Hopefully you recognise some of these sectors. So we have automotive, mechanical, we have marine engineering, chemical engineering. These are all different sectors that deal with the design and manufacture of different end products. So hopefully as you explore careers in engineering and manufacturing, you may identify a sector that you want to work in. So the challenge today will actually help you explore one or more of these engineering sectors. What would you say is the biggest challenge in engineering and manufacturing at the moment? Have a little think. What is the biggest challenge that we are faced with at the moment in engineering and manufacturing? Well, yeah, there are lots of different challenges. So you may have come up with a number of challenges, such as Brexit, obviously the impact of COVID. But the challenge that I was thinking about is sustainability. Now, this is an issue that is on the agenda of many businesses. So, what is sustainability? Sustainability is the idea that goods and services should be produced in ways that do not use resources that cannot be replaced and that do not damage the environment. So, we need to reduce the impact on the environment from the products and services that we actually develop. So I want you to bear this in mind because this is something we're going to be focusing on in this challenge. So the work that you do as part of this STEM challenge will go towards you being accredited for a Global STEM Award. We will give you a certificate for taking part in this challenge, which will show that you have addressed a context, a location, and that you've researched careers across STEM, which is in keeping with the Global STEM Award. You can get a Global STEM Award at a bronze level, silver level, or gold level. To get the bronze level, you do need to have carried out 2 projects. So in taking part in this project, it will lead you to halfway in getting a bronze award. So this is something you might want to explore at your school or individually in terms of being accredited for this challenge. Now, the challenge is this. We would like you, and it's a big open challenge, to develop a new sustainable method of travel. So that's quite an open brief, and it's up to you to interpret it in the way that you see fit. So we want you to develop a new sustainable method of travel. So go back to what sustainability means. Think about how and why we travel. Think about the method that we use at the moment. Think about, does that work? So this is a really open challenge, and we're really looking forward to seeing a range of outcomes. So we're looking for concepts that are innovative and creative and that will help transform travel. This could be at a local level, a national level, or a global level. Remember, to take part in the Global STEM Award, you do need to cover a wider area. So in order to take part in this challenge, we recommend that you do the following things. First, we recommend that you do your research. Think about the needs and wants related to travel. Think about sustainable materials or forms of energy, and think about the methods of travel. Now, don't recreate what already exists, because what already exists could be causing us problems. So wipe the slate clean, think about new innovative ideas. Now, we have got a panel of experts to help you with your research. So, one of our partners will support you in hosting a live question and answer. So, the Crest is a team of experts that support local businesses in Shropshire in becoming more sustainable. So it's an initiative that was set up by the University of Centre Shrewsbury to help develop products and services within our locality that are more sustainable. But the group of people that work on this initiative actually work with people globally. So they are connected to many experts. So on Tuesday, the 8th of June at 12 p.m, you can log in to the Crest YouTube channel by searching Crest at University Centre Shrewsbury, and you can access and listen in to a panel of experts as they answer your questions. So you can submit your questions in the chat and they will answer live at that time. If you're unable to listen in at that time, you can submit your questions beforehand and I will ask the questions on your behalf. So you can submit your questions to us before then. This live recording will be saved and will be accessible on the Crest YouTube channel afterwards. So that's just one of the pieces of research that we have set up for you to help you with this project. Another session that we've set up for you is from our partners, the Scottish Rural and Islands Transport Community, which is a group of people that have come together on a voluntary basis to deal with sustainability and sustainable travel in particular. Now, as part of this team of people, again, there are many experts, both national, international experts, and they are going to host a virtual cafe that you can sign up to and that you and your peers and your teachers can actually be involved with, having a discussion with those experts. So the date and time for that particular virtual cafe will be confirmed and will be shared amongst your teachers and your school. So in terms of transport and travel at MCMT, we actually train the next generation of engineers and manufacturers at MCMT, as you know, and we deal with 68 companies. So we train young engineers and manufacturers for 68 companies. Here are just some of the companies that deal with developing parts or materials that are appropriate for the travel industry, whether that's aerospace, whether that's automotive or marine engineering. Here are just some of the companies that we work with. So you might want to research their products and you might actually want to come up with a solution that's bespoke to those particular companies. So have a little look at these companies and have a look at the products and services that they provide, because one day you might be training to work with one of these employers. Once you've done your research, then we want you to think about developing some concept ideas. And don't worry if your skills aren't quite there, it's the idea that's important. So develop ideas using a range of communication techniques. So you might want to sketch your ideas. You might want to present your ideas as research. You might want to have a go at modelling your ideas. You might want to explore and use a variety of materials and components. But most importantly, support your ideas with research if you can't visualise a particular idea. And then what we want you to think about, once you've kind of explored those concepts, think about how you might present a final concept to us that will be the one that you submit as part of this competition. So think about how you present it. Think about how your sustainable method of travel idea could be best presented. Could it be best presented as a model or as a sketch or as a CAD drawing or as a piece of research? Could it be best presented as a video, you explaining and selling your idea? So the format in which you present it is entirely up to you, but we're looking forward to seeing lots of creative ideas. Now, we do have an exciting number of prizes for the winning entries. Now, you can enter as an individual or you can enter as a team of up to 4 people. Now, the University of Wolverhampton race team is pleased to offer the winning team and their families a visit to a day of F3 Cup racing. So you can bring your families along to this day. So the winning team, the winning individual or the winning team will get this as a prize. Now, the University of Wolverhampton race team is the only student team to compete in this single seating racing competition. And you will get a chance to meet the team and talk to them in the paddock and watch the racing. And you can talk to them about how they're addressing sustainability issues within this industry sector. So the other prize, which is really exciting, so that's just one of the prizes. And the second prize is from one of our partners, the Scottish Rural and Islands Transport Community. They are going to support the winner or winners in taking your idea to their panel of experts in September, an event of theirs. And they are going to take your idea and discuss the feasibility of it. And they will either help you to develop it further, or most exciting, they will, if your idea is feasible, they'll help you turn your idea into reality. So if you're thinking of going into this industry, could you imagine that one of your ideas that you've developed at school level to be developed into reality? That would be really good for you and your career. So this is a really exciting prize. And then finally, we are going to provide you with a full goodie bag. So we've got some fabulous rucksacks that have been given by one of our partners, UK STEM, who run the Global STEM Award. And we're also going to put lots of goodies in there from our range of partners for you to take away. So hopefully you'll see that's quite an exciting challenge. Here are the partners that we're working with. So we're working with all of these people, and these people are supporting us by either offering a prize or offering their expertise. So we will be publishing lots of different videos over the course of the next few weeks to help inspire you and help give you some further sort of input into your challenge. So the challenge has been set. We would like you to submit your ideas at enquiries@thestemworkshop.co.uk, or you can submit them via your school and they can forward them to us. Now, the deadline for this competition is Monday, the 12th of July. And we hope then to judge your ideas during that week to be able to announce the winners before you break up for the summer holiday. Okay, so the challenge is set. So our panel of judges is myself, Leanne May, Dr. Gary Bosworth, who is a professor at Northumbria University. Gary has actually released a video which we will release on our YouTube channel, which gives you some of his ideas, a little bit of background about Gary, and some ideas to get you started. So that's another form of research that you can access. And then we have Vicky Ayton, who is our Business Development Manager at the Centre for Research into Environmental Science and Technology. So Vicky works on the CREST panel, which supports businesses in developing more sustainable solutions. So hopefully you'll agree this is an exciting challenge. Really, really open for your own interpretation. And we look forward to seeing what your solutions might be to a new sustainable form of travel, whether that be local, national, or international. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to seeing your outcomes.